Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pell network token. Ticker symbol is Pell, P-E-L-L. Now this token is just went live yesterday for pre-market trading. Will be fully listed soon, but right now you can get the pre-tokens. We're going to go over the Pell network token. We're going to talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token has a huge following. Well, this project has a huge following. You can see their Twitter right here at Pell_network. They have 403,400 Twitter followers. It says the first and omni-chain Bitcoin restaking network, extending Bitcoin finance into the crypto economic security domain and fully unlocking Bitcoin's potential. And then their webpage is linked right there, Pell.network, if you want to check that out. And this token, it was just announced, became live for pre-market trading, actually 2 days ago, March 7th, 9 a.m. UTC time. This token went live for pre-token trading on Gate. So if you're looking to get the pre-tokens, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you can get open an account on your PC at gate.io. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the pre-market trading zone, and you would search the ticker symbol PELL and then simply just buy the token. Now the token will go live, I'm sure, eventually on Gate in the near future, so just stay tuned for that. You can get the pre-tokens now on Gate, and then the full token very soon. Follow this Twitter right here, and I'm sure they're going to announce other places where this token will be listed as well. I'm sure it's going to be listed all over the place because you can see it's a huge project. So follow this Twitter. Right now you can get the pre-tokens. Pretty soon you'll be able to get the token, I'm sure, all over the place. So if you go to their webpage, you can launch their application. They have a test net you can explore. They have a resource section which has blogs, brand kit, research, documents. They have a community section which has all sorts of socials, X, Discord, Telegram, 3 different Telegrams actually, tons of info. What is the Pell network? It says Pell will do for Bitcoin what EigenLayer has done for the Ethereum network. Pell is the first and omni-chain Bitcoin restaking network. By building an omni-chain decentralized validated service, a DVS, aka AVS, network driven by BTC restaking, Pell extends Bitcoin Fi into the crypto economic security sector, fully unlocks Bitcoin security potential, enhances capital efficiency for stakers, and provides developers with efficient, secure, and affordable ways to validate services. Pell serves as the omni-chain restaking network designed to simplify the provision of crypto economic security universal trust network using Bitcoin and its liquid staking derivatives. Pell plugs the gap in the ecosystem security, reduces costs to build decentralized applications, and offers passive income for Bitcoin holders. It opens up new possibilities for developers to seamlessly and securely create innovative infrastructure designs. So Pell allows protocols to leverage robust and secure trust networks from the outset, significantly lowering the barriers to securing new protocols, and this eliminates the need for protocols to incentivize their own validator sets with high dilutive reward mechanisms, making the process of bootstrapping security more scalable, accessible, and affordable. So Pell enables users to repurpose their staked assets, extending the security of Bitcoin and other trust networks to additional applications by decentralized validated services. Stakers can allocate their assets to decentralized validated services on Pell and agree to grant additional enforcement rights to their staked assets. Now, this opt-in feature introduces additional slashing conditions to meet the requirements of secured services such as data availability protocols, bridges, or oracles. These slashing conditions enforce participant integrity and ensure the security of applications utilizing the Pell network. Pell network functions as a marketplace where developers can incentivize validators to allocate their restaked assets to secure their services, and this represents a significant improvement over applications having to use their own highly inflationary tokens as rewards for validators and having to establish a new trust network from the ground up. With Pell, developers can attract validators to their projects through simple, non-dilutive incentives, significantly reducing the financial and temporal investment compared to building a new trust network from scratch. Additionally, Pell's universal restaking facilitates enhanced bootstrapping and composability across various networks, despite the varying staking parameters of different blockchains. Introducing a multi-asset restaking approach can help standardize these capital requirements. So there's the restaking layer, the operators, delegation, and the decentralized validated services. So you can read more about how does Pell extend the Bitcoin Fi value chain, the architecture. They have all sorts of information on their document section. If you want to check that out, you can see info about security, bug bounties, the testnet, point system, node operator guides, DVS developer guides, restaking guides, all sorts of info. docs.pell.network, tons of socials you could check out. You could get the pre-tokens right now on gate.io, and you'll be able to get the full token very soon in other places as well. So yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.